In the rhythm of the star vulture's wings, the sound of war, the beat of battle rings. There's an ancient legend, a bird of noble form, whose feathers gleam with galaxies and stars.